The razor tool is used to cut the clips into different parts. You can hit the button and cut the clips. You can select the clip by going back to the selection tool, then moving it around. Delete a part of a clip by hitting it and backspace button. To cut the video only portion of a clip, you can hold the Alt command. Let's select the razor tool, hold the Alt command and click. You can see that only the video portion is cut into part. You can move the parts around. To cut through a series of clips, you can hold the Shift command and the razor tool. When you cut through the middle, you can see that it has all the clip above and below it.